Go, 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 Chris, go! Ah, it smells like ass. Red flag, red flag! Ah! Ah! Cover!
Yeah, that's good. Get down.
Ah! Watch over the top, watch over the top. Top. Watch your right. Ah! Gun hit! Gun hit! Gun hit!
Right back. All right, that's fucking cut my ass.
Can you get that guy?
Yeah. Fuck me. I know, I'm like, fucking spotter, I think. Good job. Alright.
Right here, he's popping out there about
popping left.
8 seconds.
Guy right. Check left, I'm gonna go right. Not go right, but look right. Right, no, he's still left. He's gonna pop up, there he is.
What's ahead of us?
Yeah.
Let's just go for it.
Oh,
We got respawn.
That's the problem.
What?
But everyone respawns, even if we get them out.
I know, but we can still get him out in front of us. Flank around.
We need to go middle,
Watch your right.
Go right.
Ta!
Go!
Never surrender. I'm good. Am I? Where? Am I?
I saw you get hit, so you're... It's right here, dude.
Okay. If I'm hit. No worries.
Is that your pod or no?
No, I have little ones.
Okay.
Ended up in the bush. Woo! Yeah! What do you got?
They're getting through the brush. I can't see them, but they're getting through the brush. I can't get through them. Watch, come around this way. Get down over here. Out there.
I got you. Okay.
My knee. I say we run left. We're not gonna do anything from here.
Ta-da! The wrong side! Isn't it a rat? A rat. Okay. We going again? Yeah, we're going back far enough. Let's go again.
Wanna go ahead, dude?
No, they got it right.
Hey, do you have anything to light me off with? I forgot my rag.
Just hold on to it.
All right.
Yeah! Let's go! We're there! No, that's us over there. That's us. That's us. That's us. Just go for it. I'll draw him out. Cover! Let's go! Watch up top, over this way and over this way. What do you see that way?
What?
There's two guys, switch with me. I can't get in. There's two guys up this way. Right as you go around this thing, they're gonna be like kind of creeping past the door. Okay? I only got one shot. Right this way, there's a house. Look through the door, you can see him popping out inside the house. Okay? I'll switch with you and I'll go back this way. I only got one shot. Just stay close to the bush, They don't even know you're here. You see him? Yeah!
Hey, all three of you out, motherfucker! Right.
Yeah, right at the end, baby! That's what I'm talking about.
Good job, guys. Good job.
That's what I'm talking about.